Welcome to DIY is my happy place. I'm Amy and today is going to be epic. We're going to be doing a live tonight at 7 o'clock to celebrate our 100th episode. This is officially the 100th episode and tonight we're going to be celebrating it. And with our celebration, there's going to be a drawing to win this gnome prize. In order to enter to win this prize, what you need to do is invite 3 friends to our live this evening. Whether they come or not, as long as you invite them, you can register to win this little gnome that says, "I'll be your friend no matter what." And we are going to have so much fun. So what you do, if you invite 3 friends to our channel and to our live tonight, then you can put in the comments that you've invited your 3 people, and then your name will be put in the drawing, and we will drive live at 8 o'clock tonight. So you need to be on at 8 so that you can see if your name was drawn. And then I'll have you email your address and I'll mail you this free of charge. And it'll be so fun. The other thing we have going on tonight, along with our celebration of our 100th episode, we're going to have some guests who are coming. I'm so excited, I can't believe it. I cannot believe they're gonna be coming to my little channel. So you have to wait to see who those guests are when we have our live. And then the last thing that I want to remind you of is we have a huge announcement for tonight that we're going to let you all in on. We've been waiting for this big announcement and I'm so excited I can just hardly contain myself. So you're going to want to see this. So I will see you in a few hours. So I'll see you soon and we're going to have some fun.